Today we received a box just now. It's our SuperATV glass front windshield. You can see the fragile glass on there. So pretty excited to get this installed on the Can Am. What I feel like is going to be sort of our last piece that we need, except for maybe some storage in either down in the lower sections of the door or in the back right here. I got this all sliced up. I have not opened this box. You are going to see it the same time I am. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Here we go. Woo-wee! Ooh, our windshield is in one. It's in one piece. Yes. Hey guys, checking back in with you here really quick. Again, this windshield, reading the reviews and everything, really easy to install, but there's a few things you need to know that really aren't on the instructions. These guys here, these gaskets at the bottom, you can see they have a channel. You've got to push it in. I made sure that the rubber part or the extra piece is on the inside of the windshield. And then you have to trim some of it off of there. Also, on the sides here, you can see that this is kind of a squishy material. These also have to be trimmed because they overhang quite a bit. So it's something to keep in mind when you're doing this. It doesn't say that in the instructions. I still have my windshield wiper I have to put on there. And then, so this is the way you see it sitting inside the vehicle. If you were on the driver's side, this would be the driver's side, this would be the passenger side, and then here are your vents. Just make sure that your grab handles are on the inside and up. Otherwise, if they're down here, they will actually scratch or hit at the bottom of the windowsill here. Also, to get to the top, I had to remove the roof. So there's two Velcro straps underneath here. They go on either side of the rearview mirror. So you have to undo those. And then basically these metal pieces, or these metal brackets, you just turn them just like a screw. I wanted to give you a little update here of a couple things I had to do. Now I'm gonna slap it on there and we'll get it going. Okay, we are done with the windshield. We've got it installed. Took me a little while to get the driver's side clamp lined up and screwed down, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. We put the roof back in, but at first I was a little bit concerned about the visibility because the windshield doesn't have like the biggest opening on it, but with the angle of the cockpit of the Can Am, you can see that the visibility is still great. Got your rear view, your side mirrors, and you've got your vents down below. Inside, I just have just the standard windshield wiper. It does form a tight seal to the windshield, so it might be useful a little bit. But thanks for checking out the video, and you guys let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one.